Is the number you're thinking of 30?
Yes!
Give it back!
A powerful educator doesn't have to read minds, but a little magic can make a big difference.
You got an A! Yeah!
For kids, you bring in a little bit of magic, you're able to capture their attention, and it's a fun way to get a message across.
I think I see your digital trail. You better.
Brian Dino has been a magician and a DPS technology teacher for decades.
So I started back at North High School, my alma mater, and only 2 schools at that time had the internet. And then eventually this thing called the internet spread everywhere, and now it's in our kids' pockets.
Now, as part of the DPS EdTech team, Dino teaches students internet literacy, using magic tricks to help the concepts stick.
Once you send that text message or post that message, you can delete it from your device, but it's still out there somewhere on the internet.
It's not only the magic, but also how they're raising their hands and learning. You saw a very engaged class.
And it's not just the kids who are left wondering, how did he do that?
Diana, you just reach in, you grab one you're happy with. Dad, take a look at that. Tell me you want to keep it or exchange it, because mine are all different.
I'm gonna keep it.
We're gonna keep it, I like that. You can actually show the camera. So watch, I'm gonna take your card here and watch, we tap like this. There's your card, and there's my card.
Oh my goodness.
6 years of college, and this is what it comes down to.
He may downplay his own powers, but Brian Dino is empowering DPS students by imparting both knowledge and wonder.
Just inspire, wonder, have kids continue to learn, and just say, how does that work? Maybe I can just learn something. I can, one, find a passion and share it with others.